Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on another one of our fun video tours. Today we're at the 67th place in Williston, Florida. Got a gorgeous 2-acre family home here, all gated, home smack dab in the middle, rocking almost 2,100 square feet. 4 bedrooms, could be 5 with that extra room, all fenced in, 2 acres. And come check it out with me, friends. See everybody inside. Okay, let's do a quick little tour of the outside over here. We got a whopping 2.07 acres, and this is a rare opportunity to get paved road access. You come straight in, and then you got your own private drive welcoming you straight into your 2 acres. I don't see this property lasting as it is zoned agriculture. You could put your fur babies out here, horses, goats, chicken. I hear them going off already behind me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lot. Wow, wow, wow. This is the way to live out here. So you got the well over there. We got a detached shed. Another detached shed over there. And then you got your fence line over here. That's like your backyard area. And then over there, you have the rest of your 2 acres. So you can separate it as much as you like. Here's the back of the house. I love how it's all surrounded in gorgeous tree lines. Very rare can we acquire a property of this caliber. We have so many unique homes coming up, folks. So just keep everything in mind as we upload and upload and upload. Here you go, folks. That's the rest of the 2 acres out there. That's the entrance, front of the house. Cool, I'll meet everybody inside. Okay, here's a front view of the house. You have some nice greenery over here, gorgeous tree up front. And let's walk on in. We freshened up the deck the moment we acquired this house, and we installed a brand new roof. We are always taking care of any first-time home buyers. We want to make sure that the families that buy our homes are safe and sound. Here we go, guys. Fresh paint, luxury vinyl flooring in every single one of our houses. It's got a split bedroom floor plan. You can consider this area over here an open floor plan. You got the fireplace, living room, sitting room, kitchen, cabinetry area. Those are all the other bedrooms over there, and then the master is to the left. So let's go check that one out. More space over here. That's the front view again, folks. Windows everywhere, lots of natural sunlight in this house. We installed brand new fresh carpeting here throughout the house. This is the main bedroom. Very cool floor plan on this one here. It's got a little attached office within the parameters of the main bedroom. Very, very cool. Cozy reading nook over there. So this is the inside of the closet of the main bedroom. Wow, ton of space walking on through. Holy smokes. There we go. And we got that gorgeous sit-in bathtub over here. Sink, toilet area. And then of course, here's a shower. Okay, let's exit in through here. So let's go back out to the other end. A little bit more about the house. 4 bedrooms, 2 bath again, but that could be a 5th bedroom if you'd like, depending on the size of your family. 2,052 square feet, huge. Laundry room connects out back to that beautiful view. Going on more down the hallway. We got, let's consider this bedroom number 2. More natural sunlight. Got some nice closet space over here. Okay, and then we got bedroom number 3. Let's consider this. I'm already getting lost in this huge house. Again, all for $249. Payments on that, give or take, $1,950 a month, all included at that price range. Again, that's all variant on credit, down payment amount, etc., etc., etc. So please contact us and let us know if you'd like lending help. We have an amazing lender on standby. Here's the 2nd bedroom here. Gorgeous shower, toilet area, sink, cabinetry, more natural sunlight coming through. And then over here, we got the 4th bedroom. Again, more natural sunlight. I love this house. Luxury vinyl flooring throughout the hallway here. Fresh carpet again. Closet space. What's not to like about this huge house, folks? All right, so quick little recap. 4-2, you got the extra 5th or office room over there. 2 acres, 2,052 square feet. And this has been another Safe IRA Group Precious Gem. Thank you, everybody. Cheers, cheers, cheers.